Hello, my name is Lars Røholt. I'm from Cabin Plant. Cabin Plant is a Berkshire Hathaway owned company. So we are actually from the US as well. So we are producing products in Denmark, and one of our products is the multi-headwear Extreme. I have here on my side. It's a multi-headwear that we have made specially for very sticky products, but it's also good for people who cannot have a traditional multi-head where you need a mezzanine to put the multi-head on top. You can just place this on the floor, and then you have the return on investment just for saving all the people and getting the fixed weight portions that you need, even for very sticky products. So we are the only one who can do that. Then on our traditional multi-headwears, what we can do there, we are specialized within poultry products. It's also a sticky product, and we focus a lot on giveaway. So the big thing about fixed weight is to ensure that exactly the fixed weight is in the portion, and to have more than the fixed weight is called giveaway. And we reduce that and ensure that the customer gets the minimum giveaway which is possible. And we're the best in doing that, especially in the sticky products. Also, we are making process equipment. We are making tailor-made process equipment for vegetable plants, making all the processing for the most vegetable plants in Europe, and we have also made for some vegetable plants in the US. And what we can do here is as well to ensure the customer the best possible quality in their product and high OEE performance in the production.